What's up, Juggalos? It's mail day. So I ordered off the Ouija Macc website. I was pretty excited about the new merch drop. And he said if you ordered, you get a surprise in your package. So here's what I ordered. And there was definitely a surprise in the package. Check out this shirt. Can't beat that. So this is the red ugly face ass shirt, tie-dye shirt. And it came out really cool. I gotta say, it came out really great. I also ordered not one, but two of the face masks. Juggalos don't die. And Ouija Macc sticker. And another Ouija Macc reject. Death Plus combined REJ on a physical hard copy CD. So there you have it. Let me show that off again. It's a really cool tie-dye. Came out great. The shirt, the tie-dye work. Very happy with this. There you have it. Whoop whoop. Much motherfucking clown love. Thanks for tuning in. That's what the shirt and the masks look like. And that's the surprise that you get with that order. So I hope you enjoy.